What's up guys, this is me, the Believers, and I'm back with another video. Now, this video is an unboxing video of the long waited, well, I waited too long for this. Now it's finally in the mail. My new phone. It's a Samsung Galaxy A21S. The newest phone that came out I think last month or May. I don't fucking know, but whatever, it came in. So I'm gonna unbox it to see how it is. I don't know what that is, but we'll get to that later. I'm pretty sure this is the phone. Yeah, that's the phone. And it has the accessories, it has the charger, the wire for the charger, headphones, whereas I'm not gonna need them. I'm not gonna need them because I have these, the Crushers ANCs. Now, the reason why I didn't make an unboxing of the ANCs because, like, I don't know, I didn't want to make an unboxing video of the ANCs, but it's pretty good. It has pretty good bass, so I'm not gonna use those headphones because I have the ANCs. That's all I need. So let's open this phone. Whoa. Let me take you guys to the light so you can see. See the phone? Samsung Galaxy A21S. See, the phone has, like, I don't know if you can see it, but it has four cameras, and right there is the top of the screen. It has a front camera with, it's pretty weird that it has the front camera over here, but hey, it's a phone, okay? So, I don't know. Oh, and I bought it in blue because, yeah. So, I guess this button is turned on, I guess. No, that button is not to turn on. So I guess you turn on like this. Yeah, you do turn on like that. Samsung Galaxy A21S. Powered by Android, no shit. The Samsung logo. And it's gonna take a while. So I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, and the phone is on, as you can see. And as you can see, that little thing is the camera with, like, that's weird to have a camera like that, but hey, it's my new phone and I have to get used to the camera like this, and I have to get used to those full cameras. And see, it's gonna take you to this language, internet service, whatever your profile is, the Google account. So when I do all that stuff, I'll get back to you. I am back, guys. My phone is still updating and stuff like that, but in the meantime, let's open that case. this is my phone case for the Samsung Galaxy A21S. I don't know why the fuck it came like this. It's a pretty solid case. And you got this. This is a magnet. So yeah. And this is like a stand and stuff like that. So I can finally stand my phone. So look at that. Yeah. It's so amazing. Well, let me update my phone and stuff like that, and I'll get back to you guys. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? I'm back. I got my phone to work with the whole screen is that. With I'm gonna change the pixel. It changes pixels, and you just swipe it with. And you got all these apps. You got Play Store, Google, Galaxy Store, Gallery. You got your Netflix, Spotify, and Game Launcher, which I don't even know what Game Launcher is. Microsoft to connect to your Xbox and stuff like that. Which I'm gonna download more apps. So let's go on to this. You got your box for the charger, your charger wire, and these headphones that comes with the A21S, and headphones come with every phone you get. Whereas I'm not gonna use it, like I said, I'm not gonna use these headphones because I got the ANC. So why do I need these headphones? And this thing with, I know what this is for. This is for like, the phone has like a SIM card slot that you can put your SIM card in, and this is to unlock the SIM card slot. So I already have a SIM card ready, so I'm gonna be using that. I'm gonna be using that later. Oh wait, I forgot about this shit. I don't know what this shit is. Let me open it. Oh, it's a quick start guide. It's in Spanish. There's one in Spanish, and there's one in English too. And oh, there's the warranty, just in case your phone like messes up and stuff like that. You would take it back to the store or wherever you bought it from. Okay, so that's it for the unboxing video of the Samsung Galaxy A21S. Let me know. Yeah, let me know what you think about the new phone, guys. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out, guys.